I am Mutant. I have been running Zoom fitness classes for 2 months now. If you are new to any Zoom meeting or Zoom classes, this tutorial is for you. Bear in mind that this tutorial will be for the Zoom desktop version or the computer version, not the phone version. The person who are opening up this meeting, we call it the host, will be sending you a link or a Zoom ID or Zoom password to enter a class. So when you enter, this might not be the first thing that you see. This is the top bar when you can see all your classmates or any participants that are all in this room with you. This lower bar, all your control buttons, you have your mute, unmute audio. This is for the video, security and everything like this. It might not be the same version, but it will be almost the same, so the position is almost there. Number one thing that you need to do is that you need to come find your teacher screen. Come to this three dot, click on it and pin video. Hopefully when you pin the video, it will be in the big screen already. When your teacher is talking or not talking or somebody else talking, this will be the only screen that you see. So number two, you want to see how many students are with you inside the class. If you need to change your name, the teacher said change your name. We want to make sure that everyone that is in the room are all registered, and that is for the safety of everyone. We don't know who is P30. It might be some spy that's looking at us. It's very important to put your name also. So you go to this lower bar here, go to participant, click on it. Then you can see all the classmates that is in the class with you. Let's say if your name is P30 and you don't know how to change it. When you put the mouse over your own name, you go to more. Click on more and click rename. Then you can type in your name. Lang Loi. Okay? Your real name, not Lang Loi. Put in your name there and then the teacher will be able to see your setting. Let's say in the middle something wrong. You still need to tell your teacher, but your microphone is muted. You cannot on and cannot talk. How do you call for help? Here, come to this button next to participant, click on chat. This chat bar will open up. You can type to call for help. Hi, help me. Before you even send or click enter, you have to check this. To who? To everyone or only to Lang Loi privately? Only Lang Loi can see your message. Unless you want to ask for number, you can go for private message. But if you want to talk to the teacher, to everyone button. If you come inside the room, there is no sound. Most likely is you have not connected your audio. Before you connect audio, it will look like this. Join audio with the headphone symbol. Just click on the headphone. This one will jump up. You join with computer audio. You will see this bar, then you will connect with the audio. If you've got music playing, means you can hear music. If the teacher is talking, that means you can hear the teacher talking. This button is also very useful. You know, sometimes when our internet is good, especially on Zumba, the movement and the music is in the same beat all the time. And then sometimes we have this thing called the internet sneeze, hachi. So when the internet sneeze on your side, you can do something about it. I will show you what the teacher setting is first. Can you pay attention on the top bar here? Usually before Zumba class start, teacher will do this thing. Can you see the green and the red bar here now? That means the teacher's music is playing directly from the computer to you. So when the internet sneezes, my movement and the music will split. Then you will start to see my movement is either faster or slower than the music already. So what you do is that, okay, come here again, your microphone button beside here, can you see? There's a small arrow. Click on the arrow and click leave computer audio. After you click leave computer audio, your microphone will turn into a headphone again. At this point, whatever music that is playing or the teacher talking, you also cannot hear already, even if you can see the green and the red bar up there still. You have disconnected your audio. To reconnect back, Same thing like how you start your class, join audio. Click on the headphone and join with computer audio. Your music and the movement will reset, will come back together. That day your internet is bad and keep on sneezing, you have to do this many times. Unless it's my problem, then your site cannot do anything. When that happens, you have to come to this chat bar and let me know, help. Then I will reset my site. Usually when you come into yoga class especially, the teacher will change the screen setting to check the posture of the students. So the teacher will go to Gallery View. Gallery View is for the teacher to check all the students together. Now only got 2%, but if got 9%, you will see 9% all together here already. Then the teacher screen will become only this small. So what you do is that before you start, you go to click this button, Speaker View. Then whatever setting that the teacher changed will not affect you. And let's say if speaker view is still very small, you are using a very small computer, the last thing that you can do is beside this gallery view or speaker view, enter full screen. Click on this. Now it's the whole screen is for you. When you have many classmates, this bar got 4 or 3 person inside here dancing with you. This bar will sometimes land here, blocking my face. You can move this one just by clicking on the box here. If you don't want to look at yourself dancing, you can even come to this one line, hide thumbnail video, and just close it. Then you can see the teacher completely. So let me recap everything starting from the top. Number 1, go to the top bar, find your teacher, pin. Number 2, change name. Go to participants. If not correct, go to the more and rename. If you need to talk to us and you are muted, chat. Chat before you send to everyone. If you cannot hear any sound when you come into the classroom, join audio, join with computer audio. If the movement and the music is split, you can disconnect your audio again, leave computer audio and join with computer audio again. One more time. If your view is changing together with the teacher's view, go to speaker view, click it big. The last point, this view is too small for you, you can always go to enter full screen. You can always move this bar by clicking on it, just hide the thumbnail video. I hope this video will help you. Let me know if you have any question. I will post up another version that is for phone. Alright, thank you.